Curious where home heating is headed? The future is smarter, more efficient, and built for sustainability. Whether you're planning an upgrade or just staying informed, here's what to expect and how to get ahead of it. High efficiency furnaces. Today's top furnaces convert up to 97% of fuel into heat. The next step? Integration with smart controls, zoning systems, and hybrid heating for even more precise comfort and energy savings. Hybrid heating systems. These systems pair a gas furnace with an electric heat pump, switching between them based on temperature or energy pricing. Cold climate heat pumps. No longer just for mild regions, these all-electric systems now work in much of Canada. They provide both heating and cooling and help reduce your carbon footprint. Many heat pumps are eligible for government rebates and incentives. Smart controls and predictive HVAC systems. Smart thermostats are just the start. The future includes real-time energy tracking, weather forecasting integration, occupancy sensors, AI-driven adjustments. The result would be you save money, increase comfort, and rarely have to lift a finger. Zoned heating and ductless options. Want different temperatures in different rooms? Zoning systems and ductless mini splits allow for independent control, making your system more efficient and your home more comfortable. Carbon-free and electrified heating. Governments are pushing towards net zero homes. That means more electrified heating options, solar-ready HVAC systems, air-to-water heat pumps, and radiant heating. These technologies are still gaining ground, but they're key to future-ready homes. Thanks for watching.